I long for the golden era of Hollywood when creative visionaries prioritized entertaining audiences with inspiring stories and likable characters. But in recent times, Hollywood has lost its focus on creating compelling narratives and well-rounded characters, instead using their films to push agendas onto its audience. And those who dare to ask for a return to better storytelling is met with criticism and even derogatory labels. But why is this? Hello, my name is Peter Wary, and as an up-and-coming YouTuber and film critic, I am dedicating my life to reviving the art of powerful and meaningful cinema through this channel, the Movie Night Reviewer. I am aiming to educate the next generation of filmmakers on how to create films that will surpass the previous accomplishments of the past and pave the way for an even more compelling future. With over 40 videos already available on this channel, covering everything from personal opinions of mine on films to educational content on filmmaking. This channel is a must-watch for any inspiring filmmakers and casual movie fans alike. I urge you to join us on this journey as we make a difference and spark creative minds.